Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix no internet connection and network problem on Windows 11. So let's start the video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is right click on start button. After that click here computer management option and select here device manager option. Okay, and after that expand here network adapter option, and after that select here wireless network adapter and right click on it and select here update driver option. After that guys, select here search automatically for driver and close this window, and again right click on it this network adapter and again click on update driver and select here next option. Let me pick this option and select here next button. Your network adapter driver will update here. After that close this window. Your driver successfully updated here. Close this window and check your internet connection is working or not. If your internet connection is not working, we are going for next method. Now again expand this network adapter and right click again network card and click here uninstall button. Okay, your wireless adapter will uninstalled here. Now again select this desktop option. Okay, this option and click here this icon button. Scan for hardware changes. Click here this icon. Okay, your wireless network adapter will reinstalled here automatically. Okay, now restart your laptop. Okay, start click on start button and restart your laptop. Okay, and check your internet connection is working or not. We are going for next method. If your problem is not fixed here, click on start button and click here setting option. After that guys, update your Windows update. Okay, update your Windows, install all updates on your laptop. If your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Set your system time. Okay, your Windows time should be updated properly with the current date time. Okay, select here your zone, time zone, and select your date and time here. I hope guys your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.